Okay, remember I told you in my introduction video that there was no lab in our high school? Well, after high school, I decided to establish a very small lab in my room, laboratory in my room. Well, just to practice those basic laboratory skills that I didn't have the opportunity to do so during high school, okay? So, let's check it out. Okay, so this is my biology lab. I'm doing some amateur microscopy right now. You know, I sometimes stain some tissues and I observe them under my microscope. I was about to make a homemade bacteria culture media in these plastic petri dishes by using starch, agar, glucose, and this time I'm going to use milk. You know, the last time I just used agar and starch and a little bit of salt, and I was able to, well, grow some bacteria, and that was very good. Of course, I'm not going to grow them in my room because the lab is in my room, although I do not sleep in my room. But I'm going to actually culture them in the balcony, okay? Yeah, so this is my biology lab. It's a very small lab bench. I mean, for you, it's just a bench. For me, it's a lab. And I sometimes practice some lab protocols here. So later I'm going to do more experiments in the biology lab, but now I'm just doing some very basic biology experiments. Okay, so the chemistry lab is not fully activated right now, but this is just a simple distillation apparatus. We didn't have even this simple apparatus in our high school, okay? There was no lab, as I told you, but this is the condenser, and I was just boiling this salt water, and I was going to collect the pure water there. This is just hot water, cold water, and a pump, okay, for the condenser, okay? And yeah, that even, you know, I'm really happy that I assembled this apparatus myself, and I'm really excited because I have never seen such an apparatus with my own eyes in my life before, okay? Yeah. And here is just a very small physics lab. I'm particularly interested in electromagnetism. So here I'm working on an RC circuit. It has a resistor and a capacitor. That's why I just call RC circuit. It's a very simple circuit here, you know. And I'm charging this capacitor here, and I'm trying to figure out the time constant of this charging of this RC circuit. So first I fully charge the capacitor, and then I discharge it, okay, and I measure the current at different the voltage at different time intervals, okay, and I can get the time constant of this RC circuit by using some formulas and a graph, of course. Yeah, that's it. You know, nothing crazy, okay, in this very simple physics lab, of course. And here are my desks. Sorry, they're really messy, okay? And it's because recently I've been doing a lot of reading for the lectures. And yeah, you know, I usually surround myself with books. Okay, here you are. I usually surround myself with books just to remind myself how little I know and how much I should study more, okay? That's a good reminder. That's why, you know, my desk is always full of books. Yeah, that's it. So that was a very brief tour of my very small laboratory in my room and my discs. I hope you enjoyed that, and well, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.